evening, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a very easy way to cook Japanese style chicken curry and rice. In Japanese, curry is called kareee rice. It's an extremely common and it's a popular dish. If you don't know which dish to make tonight, trust me, this one won't let you down. Today I will use the block-shaped Japanese curry mix. It's very convenient and helps us to have the exact flavor. You can find the curry mix in most Asian grocery stores. If you don't have this curry mix on hand, you can always use curry powder instead. But it's another recipe. So if you're interested in learning it, please leave a comment below. Okay, let's start. We will cook the vegetables first. We need 2 carrots, 1 potato and 1 onion. Preheat a large cooking pot and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Put potatoes and carrots in first, since they will need more time to cook. Then we add onions and garlic. And you can use some ginger as well. Medium-high heat about 2 or 3 minutes, or into golden brown. Now we can put the chicken inside. I use chicken breast because it needs less time to cook. I just prepared half a pound of chicken earlier. I season it with a pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I just put the vegetables on one side and the meat on the other side. It saves time for me to clean the cooking pot and you don't need to worry about the food being burned. That's because later we'll pour in 2 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. You can choose chicken broth instead of water. Now close the lid. Turn the heat to low and cook for 15 minutes. Okay, after the 15 minutes, carefully drop 2 blocks of curry mix into the pot and let them melt. Pour 1 tablespoon of ketchup and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce into the pot. I did not put any salt inside since the curry mix, soy sauce, and ketchup are all salty. Okay, that's it. You can add some Japanese pickles, tsukemono as well. Today I choose garlic. This ginger is a little spicy and sweet, and you will crave another bowl of curry. I highly recommend you try this recipe. I promise it will be a frequent one for dinner. Besides, if you're very busy, you can cook it 1 day earlier, and the flavor of the curry on the second day will almost be the same. Let's start to eat! Wow, big! 美味しいね!
Yummy!
Yummy, yummy!
Do you want to mix together?
Yeah!
Mix together.
Mix together.
See?
Like you.
Yes.
Like what you did. And mix all the toppings and the ginger and the spring onions
Yeah.
all together.
And very yummy.
Very yummy, yes.
It's very, very, very yummy.
Yeah.
And eat it.
Like it?
Yummy!
Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And press the button. Okay, thank you for watching.